For around $1,000, my goal was to build a PC that not only has exceptional performance today, but also has great room for upgrading down the line. The base of this entire PC is the MSI Pro Z690A Wi-Fi. Z690 motherboards are an excellent deal right now, and the MSI Pro Z690A Wi-Fi is no exception. It offers a decently powerful 14-phase VRM configuration that has no trouble powering the 12700K, even on a heavy overclock. Updating the BIOS to the latest revision gives this motherboard support for Intel 14th Gen CPUs, so the upgrade path is also incredibly vast. The rest of the board is quite modest in both features and design. You get a good rear I/O, room to plug 4 M.2 SSDs, and even a Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 module. The best part about this board is that it is priced like a mid-range B660 or B760 motherboard. Another component that punches way above its price category is the Deepcool AK400. I still find it hard to believe that it's a $30 air cooler that can dissipate almost 200 watts of heat effortlessly. Don't expect to hit crazy high clock speeds on the 12700K with this cooler, but you can definitely expect a stable and cool system even at 5 GHz. It is easy to save big on a cooler, but I can't say the same for RAM kits. DDR5 RAM is still pricey right now, especially compared to DDR4 RAM kits. Still, if there is an option to build a DDR5-based PC instead of a DDR4-based one, go with DDR5. I went with the Corsair Vengeance 32GB DDR5 6000 CL30 kit, since not only will it easily fit in your budget, but you will also not need to upgrade it for a very long time. One area where we can save a decent chunk of money and still get an awesome deal is storage. Offering both speed and durability, TEAMGROUP's T-Force Cardea Z44L 1TB stands out as a solid choice. This PCIe 4.0 M.2 SSD has impressive read and write speeds exceeding 3.5 GB per second and ranks among the most reliable SSDs with a remarkable 600 TBW lifespan. For gaming on this PC, I recommend going with the ASRock Phantom Gaming DOC Radeon RX 6600 XT. It is still a superb GPU for 1080p gaming and offers the same level of performance as the newly released RX 7600. The reason why I am not recommending the RX 7600 is that it is a worse value card even if it's newer and has AV1 encoding. It runs hotter, consumes significantly more power, and performs almost the same for a higher price tag. To power this PC, I could have recommended any cheap PSU that gets the job done. However, the PSU is one of the most important components, and getting a significantly better unit is not going to be a lot more expensive. For this PC, the Be Quiet Pure Power 12M750 Watt is a masterful unit that is far more capable than you might think. It is a tad over $100, but it is an 80+ gold-rated PSU with native support for ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0. It is a strong and silent unit that can power this same PC, even with an RTX 4090, if you upgrade to a GPU of that caliber later down the line. Finally, if you want a case that is super affordable and has excellent airflow, the Montech X3 Mesh is the way to go. It comes with 3 120mm and 3 140mm fans for maximum airflow, a separate PSU chamber, and a wide base to allow excellent cable management on the back of the case. I am hard-pressed to find a case just under $60 that offers so much value. In conclusion, the Intel Core i7-12700K is one of the best value CPUs available today that offers incredible gaming and productivity performance. If your goal is to assemble a budget-friendly PC that not only delivers outstanding performance today, but also has a solid foundation for the future, then the budget 12700K PC is undoubtedly worth considering. The estimated cost for all the components mentioned is around $1,000. You can check all the components mentioned in the description.